Hey, what is up you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to address one really popular issue people encounter on Steam, pending Steam balance. And I will try to answer the most common questions, but if you don't find the answers you need, you can always ask it in the comments. Alright, let's start. Our first question comes from many Steam users wondering why their Steam balance is marked as pending in the first place. Well, there are two possible reasons for this. Option 1, you have just deposited money to your Steam account and your payment is still in the process of being verified by the provider. Option 2 is you just sold an item on the Steam community market and your balance from that sale is still pending. This happens for a similar reason, but this time the buyer's payment is in the process of being verified by Steam, not yours. Another popular question is about the duration of the pending status. The time it takes for a Steam balance to stop pending can vary. Typically, it depends on the payment method used. Steam often holds funds temporarily to ensure the transaction is legitimate, and once it's confirmed, your balance should become available. From my experience, this can take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours sometimes. Yes, there are certain payment methods that might result in longer pending times. Credit card transactions, for example, can take a bit longer due to additional security measures. It's always a good idea to check with your payment provider for specific details on transaction processing times, but in general, you shouldn't really deposit balance straight to your Steam account anyway. There are far better ways of getting Steam balance with a 20-30% discount. The only catch is it takes a little bit of knowledge and time. And I'll make a video on this topic very soon so you can learn how to do it yourself. Many users ask if there is a way to speed up this process because they just want their funds quicker. Unfortunately, the pending status is often beyond your control, and the best thing to do is just be patient. If your Steam balance is still pending after a substantial amount of time, that could be 3-4 days or longer, it's advisable to contact Steam support. They can provide specific information about your account and help resolve any issues preventing the release of your funds. And there you have it. We hope this Q&A session has shed some light on the reasons behind pending Steam balances. Remember, if you have any concerns about your account, it's always a good idea to reach out to Steam support for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and may Lord Gaben bless you with some stonks. See you later.